What are the duties of a cost estimator? Prepare detailed estimates for different projects including but not limited to multi-billion-dollar oil and gas projects. Develop and verify MTOS, equipment and bulk quantities against PIDs and drawings. Develop multidiscipline concepts, detailed and definitive cost estimates for company capital projects. Review estimates to ensure accuracy, completeness and compliance with defined scope of work. Interact with multiple organizations to review, discuss project scope and estimate basis and consult on company estimating methods or procedures. Support technically in review of design packages and drawings. Assist project management and contracting personnel with bid analysis and contract negotiations. Engineer and coordinate with teammates on company estimating methods and preparation directions. Upgrade on changing developments in estimating advances by reviewing technical literature, contact with contractors, visits to construction locations and attending professional and technical meetings. Revise and conclude incoming requests for proposals, RFPs. Study and interpret engineering drawing and technical specifications to develop manufacturing process flows. Utilize inputs from manufacturing engineering, tool design and manufacturing personnel to develop technical proposals. Assist in make and buy estimate decision process. Collaborate with engineers to determine machining operations, tools, gauges and materials required for the job. Develop time phase charts and learning curves for manufacturing of parts, assembly, and testing.